What's going on, you guys? How's it going this morning? It's Dave here. It's just about 7:30 in the morning. No, it's 7:35. Pardon me. The kids left 30 minutes late this morning, but they did get a ride from my sister, which was good. The morning went something like this. All right, guys, time to wake up. And they wake up and they do their thing, and I went to the bathroom and I came out and they're laying down. I'm like, are you guys completely ready to go? They're like, yeah, we're ready to go. So as time came to them for them to actually leave, this came up and this came up, and first it was, I need food, and it was, I have the wrong shoes on, and you know, this and that and this and that. And it just kept going. It's like, come on. You can't tell me that you're ready and then not be ready. I don't know. It didn't really upset me, but it's kind of frustrating. I'm really tired. I stayed up till like 1:30 last night, 2 o'clock. Pardon me. I stayed up till like 2 o'clock, actually, and my alarm went off at... At about 4:35 to get ready to go, or get them ready to go. I mean, there's always something to do, you know, sign this or do that, whatever, but this morning went pretty easily, except for the fact that they were late. It really makes me mad. I do, on the other hand, well, I don't want to jinx it, but we're supposed to get Joey tonight and Grayson tonight. Another 15 kids that come over here, so yay. Pardon me. Oh man, I couldn't get through the yawns. It's been like 2 days of solid yawning, maybe 3 by now. But yeah, I can't wait to see Joey and Grayson tonight. I want to start getting my other guy over here, but he doesn't like hanging out. There's not really room for him anyway, but I don't know. Avalon really misses him. I really miss him. He doesn't ever want to come hang out anymore. It's the whole teenage boy thing. He is not a teenager yet, but he's acting like one. But anyhow, I just wanted to come in this morning. It's been a really amazing morning already. Sorry. It's been an amazing morning already. It's my dad's birthday today. I've been kind of waiting to see him, and he's being a bum. Still asleep, and I can't stop yawning. Man, this is crazy. But anyway, happy birthday, Dad, if you see this. I'm so tired. I think I'm going to fall back asleep for a couple hours. Yesterday I did, and it was like, I fell asleep at like 3 and woke up at like 9 maybe, I don't know. I slept for a long time yesterday. I don't really remember. Okay. Anyhow, I just wanted to come in and say hello. It's just been kind of a weird morning. I feel amazing this morning, though. This is my second day with no steroids. We'll see how it goes. But anyhow, that's all I got. You guys have an amazing day. Make sure to smile as much as you possibly can and go to bed. Make every day better. So like, comment, and subscribe. And that's it. Have an amazing day. I love you guys. Thank you.